this video, you're going to learn how you can make up to $475 every single day just by typing words online. How crazy is that? They give you a name, you type it, you get paid. They give you another name, you type it, you get paid. So when you type one full page, you get paid $15. When you type 5 full pages, you're gonna get paid $75. And if you type 20 pages, you can get paid up to $475. And the best thing about this is that it's totally, completely, 100% free, and you can do this every single day, and also is available all over the world, so you can easily cash out the money you make. And if you like to make money online, I highly suggest that you subscribe to this channel, because I'll be posting 3 videos every week showing you different methods on how to earn money online. So now all you have to do is follow my every step. So this is the website you're gonna be using to make money just by typing words. Now the amount of money that you can make using this website, if I'm not mistaken, is about 10 cents per word. So if I'm not mistaken, you can get up to 30 pages every single day. So you can imagine how much money you can do this by just using this method every single day. So if you're struggling with that right now, credit card that, car payment that, this is a great side hustle for you to start making some extra money every single day. So this website that you'll be wanting to come to is called talentdesire.com, and this website offers a lot of working from home opportunities. So it doesn't only offer the typing jobs I'm going to show you right now. If you take a look here, you can see that it's offering the online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging jobs, language translation jobs, online paid survey jobs, medical transcription jobs, content writing jobs, affiliate marketing, online teaching, and the online typing jobs. So they have a lot of type of jobs here that they offering. So if you're into some of the jobs that I just told here, you can also take a look if you like. So if you like, you can use one method, you can use 2 methods, you can use lots of methods here, and at the end of the day you're gonna make a good income. Right now I want to start mentioning that this method here is completely free. You don't have to pay anything, but for this video today we're gonna be only focusing on the online typing jobs, because it's actually one of the easiest one here on the website to do it. So you literally can just be a beginner and you're gonna start earning money from an online typing job today. So they don't require any experience, and if you take a look here, they are offering you up to $13,500 to $27 per year. As your skills and your experience grow, so will your bank balance. So that's really good, right? And here on the guarantee work, you should expect to get the minimum work of $1,125 per month. As I just said, this can also be easily a side hustle. So if you're struggling with that, credit card that, a card that, so you're gonna get the minimum of $1,125 per month. So this can help a lot of people. Now for the joining fees to join this website, as you can see here, registration is absolutely free. So there is no hidden costs before or after joining, and we don't ask about investment to you on any stage, so you don't have to worry. It's absolutely free. So this can be a great opportunity for anyone all over the world to make money, especially if you live in a country that the dollar is valued more than your currency. So every time you transfer this money to your currency, you're gonna get a lot and lots of money. And also here on the website, they show that there are several levels of earnings here. They have a beginner, intermediate, professional, and experts. And what this means is, as you progress on this website, you can actually make more money. But I'm gonna give you a tip that you're gonna start as a beginner, but you're gonna earn as an expert, and you don't have to have any experience to do that. And I'm gonna show you in a second how you can do this. Now I'm gonna show you how you can make more money and be seen as an expert through the website to earn a lot of money, and don't have to start earning as a beginner here. And you're gonna go to this website called RediType, and the reason you're gonna go to this website is because they're gonna take a typing test, and you can do this from your phone or from your computer. It doesn't matter. It's really easy. You just have to type some words. They are going to see how fast you type those words that they're gonna show you on the screen, and the reason why you want to do this is because you want to improve your typing speed as you go on, and they're going to generate you a certificate that you're gonna use on the other website, talentdesire.com. So you're gonna use the certificate so you can be seen as an expert on the other website. So you're gonna do this test a few times, and when you have a speed that you are actually comfortable to, that you look at yourself and you think, okay, so now I'm an expert, then you're gonna take this certificate here and you're gonna use on the other website so you can prove that you are an expert. I'm gonna show you how you can do this now. You can come here and you're gonna click on start typing now. So if you're using your phone, you're gonna see the same screen, and if in the computer, you just have to type these words here. So I'm gonna start doing the test right now so I can see. So you basically just have to type the words here. So type me to find out how many words per minute you can type. So as you can see here, my result generator is 56 words per minute. So you type faster than 70% of users. So the reason you want to do this is because this is gonna boost your income. This is gonna boost how much you're gonna make. So you want to keep taking this test so you get this number here the higher as possible. So even though you are a beginner, if you show this certificate to them, you're gonna be seen as an expert. So they basically won't know if you are a beginner or not, because you're gonna have a certificate to prove that you can type fast enough. And this is gonna help you with this certificate that you can prove that you type fast. You also can have unlimited opportunities of jobs as well. So this is ultimately what's going to enable you to earn up to $475 every single day. So now I'm gonna show you how you can earn your certificate and how you can upload it to talentdesire.com. So as I did this test, they saw the speed of my typing and also the accuracy of my typing, and they take this all into account and they generate a result for you. And the higher the accuracy you have, the better results you have at the end. So let's say that you took the test and you did not like the results that you have, you can do it as many times as you want. So for that, you just come here and you click on the logo again, and as you can see, you just click here on start typing now, and here you can type it again. So type me to find out how many words per minute you can type. So if I'm not wrong, I think I just got the same result. So it says that I'm 70% faster than the other users. So if you're happy with your results, all you have to do is you're gonna click here on improve your typing speed. So they're gonna ask you to create an account, and you're gonna do this now. So if you have a Google account, you can use your Google account to log in. Also, you can use your Facebook account, or if you like, you can just put your name, your email, and set a password. So once you log in, you're gonna be able to see here your typing speed, also the accuracy, and here is going to be the certificate that you're going to use on the other website. So remember, if you're not satisfied with your results, you can always take the test again until you get a better result here on your certificate so you can upload it. So as you can see, the certificate, it's rewarded to me for typing in English with the speed of 42 and the accuracy of 96.8. So this here, you're going to use it so they can see that you are an expert. And what you want to do now, all you have to do is you click here on print, but we're not going to print this. It's just so we can save it. And now you can save as a PDF, and you're gonna save it right now to your desktop. Now we're back to talentdesire.com, and all you have to do when you're here, you're gonna come here and scroll down all the way to the end of the page, and you're gonna click here online typing jobs. And here all you have to do again, you go to the bottom of the page and you're gonna click here on apply now. So for this part here, I advise you to pay close attention so you don't get lost, so you don't have any questions. So I suggest that you just follow my every step. Don't skip any part here because it's a bit confusing. So just come and follow my every step now. So what you have to do now is click apply now. So the step one you have to do here is to select the online application form. So you're gonna click this. So now you can see you have two options. You're gonna come here and click on online application form. So you click it, and for this part here, you just scroll down, and if you can see here, fill in your details to apply and work with us. So you're gonna click this link here right now. So once you get to this page, the first thing you have to do here is you have to accept to the privacy policy if you do accept it, right? So you can read it here. Then after that, all you have to do, you have to put out your personal information. So you're gonna type your name here, you're gonna type your last name, you're gonna put your email, a contact number, and for the country here, if you click here, you can see they have a lot of options of countries, so you can work from anywhere in the world and get paid from anywhere in the world. So you can take a look here. You're gonna put your zip code, and for the preferred job title, you're just gonna type here online job typing. And here, what time is best for you? You can choose what time is best for you. So you can put all day, you can put 6 to 9 a.m. or 9 to 5 p.m. So in my case would be 6 to 9 a.m. And here on this part, all you have to do is choose where do you want to get paid on. So right now it's chosen the PayPal, but if you click on it, you can see you have PayPal, Pioneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, and the scroll. And also, if you do not have any of this, you can use Wise, TransferWise. I'll leave the link on the description. It's international online banking that you can use from anywhere in the world, and it's really easy and quick to open an account. And if you do, all you have to do is choose this wire transfer here. After here, you can choose your current profession status, or if you want, you can just leave it here like a self-employed, and then you can read these, and if you agree, you just click here on yes, I agree to the terms, and then you put your signature here, your name, and you click I'm not a robot, and you're gonna submit. Now that you have done all of this, you can start receiving money for each page and each word that you type. You can do this as long as you want, and you can make as much money as you want. And if you're still looking for other methods to make money online, you can click here right now on this video that I'm gonna show you, and you can start learning a new method today. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel. See ya.